Hey guys, doing another lesson, a painting lesson. Not feeling too good today. Just kidding. We're gonna be doing a landscape. So we're gonna be doing a beautiful sunrise at the beach. We're gonna actually use color this time. So my other lessons have all been with a pen. We're gonna still use a pen, but we're gonna add some. So basically, these are all the colors you really need to use when you're ever drawing or painting or using anything with color. So basically, you know, the blue, black, this one, pink, black, blue, blue. So, you know, these are what you need to do this. So, but first you have to, of course, if you're doing a landscape, you need to take a pen. You got to make a nice frame. So you don't want to go outside of that. You can, but people will make fun of you. Trust me. So when you're doing a landscape, you're doing a beautiful, something with a sun, some trees maybe. You always want to start with the sun. So, because the sun is the farthest away, because the sun is obviously very far away from other things and stuff like, pretty obvious. All right, so sun always goes in the left-hand corner like that. See? Color it in. Son of a fucking bitch. Okay, anyway, don't worry. It's okay. All right, now sun, because the sun's so bright, you always want to draw these lines coming out of it. That indicates that the object is bright. So that's a good rule of thumb. If you want to indicate that an object is bright, draw lines coming out of it. It's called the draw line act. I mean the draw line, act, yeah. So after the sun, so that's basically the sun. Now you're gonna want to draw, if you're gonna be at a beach, nice wavy water. So there's two different kinds of blues that exist in the world. There's this one, which is that blue, and then this blue. So like, you could use either one. It doesn't fucking matter. This one doesn't even have a goddamn tip. Anyway, so we'll use this one. Should have sharpened them, but whatever. Doesn't matter. So you're gonna color the water in. And it's funny because we're drawing like a nice serene picture, but I'm really getting fucking pissed. Anyway, don't mind me. All right, so the water, the sun. I guess we're not at a beach because I drew the whole bottom is water, so I guess we're just in the middle of the ocean. So I guess we'll draw a boat. So when you're drawing a boat, you always want to make it black just to make it stand out. So there, you color that in. Draw a flag if you want, I guess. Fucking not sharpened. You can make it yellow because we don't have that many colors to choose from. So let's see, the sky, you can make it dawn. So like dawn is a part of the day that's kind of like, I think the sun, it's like in the morning or something. I don't really remember. I'm more of like an artist, I'm not a English major. So brown, let's see. Well, I was gonna use the brown for the sand, but it seems like we're in the middle of the ocean. So I don't think we're gonna need the brown. I mean, what could be brown in the middle of the water? I guess maybe like a fish. No, that's not it. That's the letter G. All right, let me try over here. No, that's the letter G. All right, forget the fish. This is ridiculous. And I guess you could draw somebody on the boat. Oh, I don't want to use that color. Let's see, go over that. Okay, you could draw someone on the boat, like, because obviously if there's a boat in the middle of the water, someone's going to be on it, usually. Let's make it a little more. There you go. Now you can see it. There you go. So you give him a nice hat. And then, so like I said, these colors are the ones that you want to use always. You don't really, these are the only, because I can't really think. I mean, I guess red if you want, but you could, if you know the color wheel like me, you just mix yellow and pink and you get red anyway. So, and that's another thing, you want to know your color wheel. So like blue, cool colors, which are colors that people, you know, when they look at that, they're like, oh wow, that's really cool. So like even this pink, cool color, red's pretty cool. So once you learn that, basically you could knock these out just like I did this in what, not even 3 minutes. So anyway, we'll see you guys on the next lesson. And yeah, all right. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, I guess, if you want to see more of this, because if you don't subscribe, all right, later guys.